Well, hello and welcome everyone. I welcome you all at Smart Education. Today we will be starting with English grammar and its usage. This chapter is the basic chapter of business communication and the first chapter of business communication. After analyzing August 29th examination, I got to know that mainly the question were asked from English grammar and its usage chapter, mainly from chapter 1, chapter number 2 and chapter number 3. Don't even try to leave this chapter because I have summarized the mock test and I got to know that most of the questions are being asked from English grammar and its usage. If you think that you can pass the whole examination of business communication on the basis of those theory chapters, then I think you are wrong, because August 29 examination students have got a shock because they didn't prepare this chapter and they just mainly went on the basis of theory, and therefore I think that was the most difficult part for those students who did not prepare English grammar and its usage. So today we will be starting with getting the question, how the question can be asked from this particular chapter. Okay, so let's move on. And from which topic questions can be asked from this chapter? So let me tell you how the question can be asked. The first question kind of question category arises from the preposition. A lot of question can be asked from the preposition. Don't worry, I will teach you all of that. Then the second category is correction of sentence can also be asked. Look, in correction of sentences the question are quite unrealistic and I think they are unexpected also. Okay, the third category is tense, means that a tense topic is also given to you, but the detailed topic is not given in your module, but I will try to teach that in detail. Okay, the fourth category is voice. Question can also be asked from voice because I can't bear being late. Being is a voice also. Okay, the next other topics from which question can be asked is definition questions, means a particular set of sentence is given to you and you have to find from the which definition does that particular of words framed are being asked to you. Okay, conjunction question can also be asked in your module. Conjunction topic is very least and small. Okay, fill the blank space, means from the appropriate options you have to fill the blank spaces. Then the fourth category, spelling correction, can also be asked. So these are the type of question which can be asked in your examination. I will teach you all of that, so don't worry about that. Visit the channel daily and don't forget to subscribe the channel. And now I am not willing to take any more students in the WhatsApp group because when the examination got over, they try to leave the group and try to unsubscribe the channel. Therefore all the things will be conducted on Telegram. So those students who want to join Telegram group can message me on my WhatsApp with their registration letter, so I can add them in my private Telegram group. So don't worry about that. WhatsApp number will only be given for doubts, and if you want to also join WhatsApp group, I will try to add you in that. But if you're willing to join WhatsApp group, you have to give me a registration number later. I will not do anything with that because it's just for a verification of you. Okay, okay, so goodbye students. Come tomorrow, we will